Good morning, students. Today we have the last module for this chapter, heights and distance. So I am answering the question number 27. So please listen to the question. The angle of elevation of a pillar from a point A on the ground is 45 degree and from a point B diametrically opposite to A and on the other side of the pillar is 60 degree. Find the height of the pillar, given that the distance between A and B is 15 meter. So we have a pillar and from 2 points diametrically opposite. So from A and diametrically opposite on the other side B. The angle of elevations are given. From A, the angle of elevation to the pillar is 45 degree. So I am taking PQ as the pillar, and from B it is 60 degree. Question is to find the height of the pillar. So here the distance between A and B is given 15 meter. So if I take this as x, here it is 15 minus x. So the pillar is perpendicular to the earth. So consider the triangle APQ. So in triangle APQ, tan 45 equals perpendicular by base h by x. But tan 45 is 1, so it is h by x. So x equal to h, cross multiplication. Now in triangle BPQ, in triangle BPQ, tan 60, again perpendicular by base 15 minus x, tan 60 is root 3, so h by 15 minus x is also h, cross multiply 15 root 3 minus h root 3 equal to h. So h plus root 3h equal to 15 root 3. So 1 plus root 3 into h equal to 15 root 3. So h equal to that height of the pillar, 15 root 3 by 1 plus root 3. So when you simplify, we get 9.5 meter. So we have to write height of the pillar is 9.5 meter. So it's clear. Now let us see question number 32. I am just reading the question. The angles of depression of the top and the bottom of a 8 meter tall building from the top of a multi-storied building are 30 degree and 45 degree. Find the height of the multi-storied building and the distance between the two buildings, corrected to 2 decimal places. So here one building and another multi-storied building. So from the multi-storied building we are observing, so naturally that should be the higher one. So here I am taking, this is AB and here it is CD. Now the other given conditions, the first building, the height is given 8 meter, and from here the angle of depression 45 degree, that is to the top of the building from multi-storied building, and so this is also 45, and from the top of the multi-story building to the bottom, the angle of depression is 60 degree. So here it is 60 degree. Question is to find the height of the multi-story building and also the distance between the two buildings. So here it is AB is 8 meter, so CP, that is also 8 meter. This I take it as X, PD. Now consider the triangle BPD. In triangle BPD, tan 45 equal to DP by PB. So X by Y, perpendicular by base, and tan 45 is 1 equal to X by Y. So Y equal to X, cross multiplication. So here it is Y, that is X. Now consider the large triangle, that is in triangle ACD, tan 60 perpendicular is 8 plus X by the base is X. Tan 60 is root 3, so root 3 equal to 8 plus X by X, cross multiplication, root 3X equal to 8 plus X. Bring to the left side, so root 3 minus 1 into X equal to 8. So X equal to 8 by root 3 minus 1. So when you simplify, we get 10.9. So the height of the building, that is CD, (8 plus X). So 18.9 meter. So the height of the multi-storied building is 18.9 meter. So practice more questions. We will start with the new topic tomorrow. So, bye.